Hello and welcome again in my channel Zosima Joa. I wanted just to show you a quick video or a quick tutorial. No, it's not tutorial, but about this kind of mirror which has a camera in behind of it. So I bought it from the internet to try it if it's okay. So I watched also some video YouTubes about things like this. First of all, this is you can buy it from eBay, not Amazon or something like that. You find it only, I think, in eBay, and I bought it myself from eBay. So it's just like this. It has some buttons. I don't know why it's not so clear. Yeah, maybe I make like, yeah. As you see, OK button, up and down button, on also a menu button on the power off button, and the another one I think for the settings. So I tried just to put it as you saw. It comes with two rubber things like this, as you saw, and you just put it in the older one. This is the old one, as you see, and you just put the rubber things from here, as you see here. Just a second. So, and then you hang it in the another one, and then you look. It looks like that. So it's actually nice. It's bigger than the another one. I see it's much better. And then it has a cable, as a power cable, as you see. I bought it from. I just tried really quickly to put this and to try how it looks. So you put it here, and then I took the cable, as you see from the another side, like that, and I put it, just hang it like this in the glass, and then I tried to hide it here where the car is, with the plastic thing here, and then I just put it there, and then here, down, and then from down. So this is the power, and my car actually, it doesn't need to be on just to start the camera, because this is always working. By other cars you have to turn your car on, but my car, it doesn't need. So when I put it like this, it goes like that, and you see this is the front camera, as you see, and it comes with another camera uh, for the back side, which is this actually. It comes like that. You put it in the back side of the car, so you can park. You can also, it takes videos while, for example, it works immediately when you put it on, or when you put this thing here like that, or just if your car, you have to turn the key on, so it goes on immediately, and it records video. So it's recording at this moment while I'm talking to you. And then it has a place here you put an SD card, and also another port where you put this camera actually in. It's like that. So as I would do this also. Maybe I will show it to you in another video, but this is the cable which you put it connects here, as you see. This is the small one which connects the camera, and then you put this in your mirror, as I told you. And this red cable which comes, as you see, I will try to show it to you. Sorry, because I'm trying to explain, and I have my mobile in the other hand. This one, you put it in the, when you put your cars like this in gear behind, when you want to go in reverse, I mean. So there is a lamp goes on, a white lamp from your back side of your car. So you have to connect this red cable there when you go like this. So you will see here the car from behind. I'm sorry about this. I'm a little bit my English is not so good anymore, but you will see the back side of your car, not of your car, the back side of what is behind your car. So you can park correctly, or you can just yeah, it's much better without having to look in the back side. Yeah, and when you just turn your car off, or you take it like this, so it goes automatically off after yeah, some seconds, as you see now. Yeah. So I hope this video was helpful to you to find to if you want to do something like this, or you're thinking to putting a camera like this. It's actually good because it records from immediately from the back side of your car on the front side of your car. So if something wrong happens, you have an evidence, or when you want to park also, it's really nice. So I will try also to put the another camera, and I will make another video to show it to you if I could. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe if you are not. And I hope if you have any questions, you can just write it in the comments. Thank you.